guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to fix the dry carbon spare wheel cover for our new Defender. This is a Plumb series. We can find the scratches special, and the carbon fiber material make it very expensive. So the new year is coming, Chinese New Year is coming, so I'm going to upgrade my Defender with a new look to celebrate the 2024. So follow my videos and to see what's the difference after we change the expensive spare wheel cover for my car.